Guys, I am back with another deliciousness for you. As you can see, coconut curry chicken, another great one. I have here some pieces of chicken that I had joined previously, and I am gonna cut them in smaller pieces and then wash with lime and vinegar, and then I proceed to seasoning them. Now that they're chopped and washed, I'll show you the seasonings I use, and I mostly go herbal. Now, I started with the pepper and ginger. You cannot do curry without some hot pepper. Next, that's my garlic and my rosemary. Stir that up a bit, and then I proceeded with the rest of my seasonings. And of course, we need to add our salt to this and our curry. So I added my salt first, and then this is just using your judgment based on how you like your salt tasted. Then my curry, and I just add my curry as I go along to see how much is needed. I use the herb and garlic seasoning, and that's the only powder seasoning I use. Pimento, onion, thyme, scallion, along with my hot pepper and my garlic, my rosemary, and my ginger. I do not work with a lot of powder seasonings. That's my preferred choice. Of course, you go ahead if you feel fine. I believe there's always some hidden ingredient in it or ingredients that I'd prefer not to use. Some of the words we don't know the meaning of them until we look them up, and then we're like, okay, so this is a scientific name, and then it ends up being MSG or something that we don't want to use. Leave this for about 15 to 30 minutes and then proceeded with my coconut. Now I have my coconut cut in pieces, and what I did was to blend them and then strain so I can have my rich, nice coconut milk. You can use your coconut milk from your can or your powder. I prefer to go as natural with my food as possible. After that, I grease my pot, put it to heat, grease my pot, add my chicken pieces, and then I'll give this a stir. Cover this and allow it to spring its own water and simmer. When that simmer, it's time to add a bit more water. Well, to add its own water, and this is what it looks like. So you see where it has its own water in it. Leave that to simmer until it goes down. Then I add a bit of hot water, allow it to cook down a bit before I add my coconut milk. And of course, adding the coconut milk is the final stage of it. I also add some carrots to this. If you have Irish potatoes, this is where you want to add them, and I can tell you Irish potatoes are so great in our curry chicken, but I didn't have any Irish potatoes on hand, so carrot works fine. Then I add my coconut milk, and that's the final stage. Allow it to simmer until my carrots are tender enough and the milk comes together with the chicken, and a great flavor you get when you taste it. Added a few pieces more of my hot pepper or country pepper because it needed more spice, and that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hey, remember to turn on your post notification bell. First time viewers, thank you so much for being here. For those who've been here before, thanks so much for being back. Bye.